Throughout 2010, Accent Health awarded prizes to offices dedicated to patient education. The grand prize for one lucky office was a fabulous waiting room makeover from Nurture by Steelcase. Congratulations to the 2010 Accent Health Office Makeover Grand Prize winner, Drexel Hill Pediatric Associates in Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania.
It's a very diverse practice. It's an amazing practice. We have people from all over the city.
Each doctor probably has about 2,000 patients per full-time doctor, which comes out to 14,000 patients that we see here.
Hundreds of offices send us their amazing stories on what they are doing to make a difference in the lives of their patients and in their communities.
I thought our office would be a good candidate because we try to give back to patients in the community.
Dr. Kevin Browngold went to Haiti and did volunteer work there.
We, as an office, collected items for him to take over there to help treat those children.
In addition to honoring their community service, the office was definitely ready for a makeover.
The office the way it is now is a little bit dated. We've been here about 15 years.
Environment is very important on how people feel. It's the difference between a cloudy day and a sunny day. And when the sun comes out, everyone feels better.
Well, the space was quite bland when we looked at it through the pictures that were submitted. And they just had lots of opportunity to use the walls in a much better way to bring life and color into the space.
The space is difficult because we have a sick and a well waiting room, and they're two large spaces, and I just never thought the furniture looked right the way it was in there.
Nurture is all about holistic design and looking at an environment and how everyone behaves in the space. And so once we can take a look at how people want to spend their time, especially in a waiting space, then we can start applying the appropriate products to support their behaviors.
I want them to come in and say, wow, this is a happy, safe place for me to be today.
You know, our whole theme for the office was commit to be fit. Our message, along with even Accent Health's message of wellness, is a great fit.
And what's going to happen to the old office furniture?
So this is some of the furniture that you see here that came out of this facility here at Drexel Hill Pediatrics. And all this is going to be shipped to Haiti, and they'll be receiving it to benefit the rebuild.
I think it's going to be fun. I think it's going to be a nice change for everybody. It's refreshing.
It's great to be able to have a makeover so that we can face the future and continue to provide the kind of comfortable setting that will make our patients feel better when they leave. This is very exciting, don't you think?
I know.
Oh my goodness! This is truly amazing.
This is beautiful. Very stimulating. The colors, the shapes, the textures. This is more like a home sitting area, a playroom, rather than an office, and I think that's what we needed.
We brought in a lot of elements that were full of energy, color, and life. So when the kids are sitting there waiting, they are inspired by what they see on the walls.
Wow, this is amazing.
Yeah, I love it.
It's beautiful.
I love it.
It's welcoming. It's exciting before the visit. I think before it felt like more like a doctor's office. This feels more like a play area.
I would love to come sit in one of those chairs. I think our patients are going to love it too.
The colors, the textures, the shapes. No longer a doctor's office. More like a home.
Look at this. This is really great.
I love the shelving. And the monitor is perfect. People can sit, relax, talk to one another, and watch some of the health tips that Accent Health has put up.
Yeah.
It's absolutely beautiful. I had no idea what to expect, and this beats it all.
I think that our patients are going to really enjoy this, and the parents are going to be so amazed. We're going to be getting compliments for who knows how long on this great new space.
It's absolutely more than I expected, the creativity that went along into it. Who would imagine that so much could be done to our little waiting rooms? It's fantastic.
We love to thank Accent Health for doing this makeover, and I think it'll be a positive thing for all of us for many years to come. Thank you.
Congratulations to Drexel Hill Pediatric Associates.